According to the data released from the National Bureau of Statistics on Monday, China's economy got off to a steady start in the first quarter of 2022, despite challenges from an increasingly complex international environment and resurgences of COVID-19 cases at home.
初步核算，一季度国内生产总值27万亿元，按不变价格计算，同比增长 4.8%， 比2021年4季度环比增长 1.3%。
China's retail sales of consumer goods, a major indicator of the country's consumption strength, went up 3.3% year-on-year in the first quarter, totaling around 10.87 trillion yuan. China's fixed asset investment also saw steady growth, registering a 9.3% growth from a year earlier to 10.49 trillion yuan. The economy posted a stable performance with continued recovery, as China struck a balance between epidemic control and economic and social development.